Do you love cinnamon? If you don't, I'm going to give you a couple reasons why maybe you should be adding it to your food. Number one is it fights infections and viruses. So there's many benefits to cinnamon when it comes to defending the body from some illnesses. Cinnamon contains natural antimicrobial, antibiotic, antifungal, and even antiviral properties. Add it to your food and you'll get a little boost in that immune system. Also, cinnamon can help to prevent candida. Research says powerful antifungal properties of the cinnamon are effective in treating and preventing candida overgrowth in the digestive tract. So if you've been struggling with a little bit of stomach upset and have been eating a lot of carbohydrates because candida feeds off those sugar bugs, you might have a little bit of yeast overgrowth. Adding a little cinnamon can help slow that progress down, and working with a practitioner that specializes in gut health like myself might get you to the goal that you want.